YouTube. How are we doing? Grateful Trading coming at you. We're talking about trading the trend today. Oh yeah, here we go.
Order filled.
Here we go. Basically, trading the trend, what we're looking for is... Here, we'll let this one run. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's get our money back from that last trade. Oh, 2's okay.
Order filled.
We'll take that. Kind of lost like 3 points right here, but we've made about probably 3.5 here, so we're up about 2 ticks on the day. Not bad. But trading the trend mostly is what you're doing is you're looking for what kind of trend the market is, whether it's a seller's market or it's a buyer's market. A lot of times in the mornings, it's really essential to pay attention to where the market is going to be heading and what position. That basically decides what position you want to get into, whether it's longing or buying for the day. If it's a downtrend market, as you can see it is, you're going to be looking for more shorting opportunities, and that's going to be your most powerful points. Right here we had a little spike back up. I lost I think 2.5, 3 ticks on this right here on a trade, but we made about 3 in total, and then this trade right there just set us back up on top to a positive 2 ticks for the day. I'm not going to make any more trades, just mostly because we're coming towards the end, volume selling, and I don't want to get greedy. I just want to take what I can make, and we made our money for the day. That's all that matters. And you can see how, let's go back to, well, yesterday was closed. This is a good one. No, there's really not much volume in that. Yeah, we can run this. Just how if the trend is running up in the market, and this is this opening of the market and how it starts, you see how most of the best positions that you're going to be able to get involved in are right off this moving average, and the moving average really shows you where the trend is. There's the 14-day, which is if it's on top. Let's change this color. If the 14-1 is underneath the market or this chart, then you're going to be in an uptrend, and you're going to be trading green, and then you're going to be looking for more buying opportunities bouncing off that. And then if you go over here and you see how the market is, it's swapped over, this is going to tell you what kind of trend you're in. So if the moving averages are running underneath of it, you see this, we're about to, looks like it's kind of trying to do a reverse right now, but we're in a tight spot because the whole day we've been running in a downtrend. The market can always flip over, but it all depends on your time frame and your trading. I'm trading usually 9:30 to 10:30 around this time, and then I usually get out. But this is where you want to be looking more for your executions on your trades. Like right here, I got in on a really good one because we were running on a downtrend market, and when there's a lot of selling pressure like early in the day,
Order filled.
I don't know why I took that, but something told me to run it, and I think we may test back down here to the bottom for a moment. Maybe look for $1. We'll see. We will see. Nope. We are going to hold it for a moment. Let's just get out.
Order filled.
It's in a weird position. We lost about 0.3 ticks of that, but something tells me it's still going to run down and hit this support level down here. I just don't want to take any more trades for the day. We stick with our strategy, but it should be running down here to the bottom, and we'll give it a second to play out. This is a real crucial point. You know, we're debating on where we're going to be heading, if the buyer is going to keep pushing it back up to the top and then maybe hit up top and then run back down. But it's, yep, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Maybe. Yep. But you see, basically what that means is, see, that's why also when you say you're done trading, you got to stick to it, because that's how you get yourself caught. Take your profits and call it a day. But look at that. Look at that. Called this one perfectly. Perfectly. But you see, the seller's market, you're going to take your shorts when you see a little spike back up top, and then whenever you see a failed spike like this right here, you see how it goes up and spikes down, or it spikes up and then it fails and then it starts selling. And when you're in a seller's trend, this is when you want to start taking your shorts. Just like this, if we would have held, we could have made like another 4 ticks on the day, but we made our money. We're not getting greedy. We're just going to take what we can. It's not as big as what it could have been for the day. We definitely could have made like 8 ticks on the day. But what I've been focusing on is trying to take more than 2 ticks on my trades. Just because if my losses are like 2, you know, the only way to get my money back is if I'm holding a little bit longer. But no, this is just cookie cutter, trade the trend. Look for failed spikes and look for big selling points. It's really not that complicated. You see a green, and then after you're in a seller's market, it goes up green, and then it hits red, and it runs back down. You just pay attention to resistance levels, which are in previous support levels, which are the old ones, and they're going to want to retest those, and then they sell back down. Kind of wish I would have held that trade a little longer, but hey, you can't get greedy in this game. That will bite you in the ass. Stick with a price point and then leave with it. But yeah, that's it, YouTube. Trade the trend. Stay grateful.